हाँ. Hey you all, how are you guys? मैं कल वीडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाया था बिकॉज ऑफ सम अनअवॉइडेबल सर्कमस्टांसिस. मेरा एक दोस्त आ गया था और मुझे उसके मोबाइल को ठीक करना था. नहीं, मैं मोबाइल ठीक करने वाला काम नहीं करता हूँ, बट given these circumstances nobody was there and he needed my help, so I did a bit of research online and figured out a couple of things about how one can take care of iPhone. iPhone is a very dramatic phone, very dramatic phone actually. How it is going to function, what's going to happen, the things have to be recorded like this, the things have to the data has to be restored like this, then again it's going to take a backup, then my computer doesn't have that much of space to take backup. So there was a lot of drama behind that iPhone and it took hell lot of time. I would say it was sheer wastage of time, but I had to help my friends, so I did it. So coming back to today, now as I was processing and thinking about what are the ideas which I could come up with and start making and doing the videos on that. But what is happening since last 4-5 days, as life is all about what you plan and what happens in your life, and that's how the life is always like that. You keep planning whatever the way you want to plan things, but life तो अपनी जगह पे है और जैसे उसे ले जाना है वो वैसे ही ले जाएगी. तो मेरे साथ में ये हुआ है कि मेरे बैक नेक के अंदर पेन हो रहा है, एंड द पेन इज समथिंग which is not normal per se. When I say not normal is it has been since a long time and it was coming and going. When I say long time, 1-1.5 महीने पहले शुरू हुआ था एंड उसके बाद चला गया था और फिर अभी वापस से आया, एंड दिस टाइम इट इज़ एक्चुअली रेडिएटिंग नॉट द पेन बट अ tingling sensation which is making me uncomfortable is radiating down my elbow to my hand here till my fingertips, and I feel it somewhere here also. I was not even able to sleep properly since last couple of days, and it has been not painful but kind of irritating because of that I'm not able to sleep even when I want to sleep. So I'm kind of realizing a lot of things, but one of the things which I'm realizing is like how lucky I am, or I mean I was just wondering why it is happening with me and why am I getting this pain and all. And then I remembered one of the story which is that whenever something is going good in our life, we never ask about like why this good is happening, and whenever something starts going wrong, we start asking why me, why it happened to me only and not anybody else or something like that. But it's very hard, it's hard to make peace with the fact that we don't end up asking about when we feel uncomfortable in our life about something or a certain scenario or certain aspect. And I am trying as much as possible being alone in this house. No, my mental health is super fantastic, there's no problem with it, but I'm just trying to make my peace with the fact like how and why it keeps happening with me, because I try to stay healthy, I live healthy, I think healthy, I process healthy things. There is negativity, but that is again healthy negativity, like you need to be practical about certain things, and still I get these pain and these kind of things, and that makes me wonder whether I am intrinsically inviting something wrong in my life. Am I doing something which is so intrinsically wrong in my life that I'm always being part of the injuries or etc., and I have no idea about it. And because of all these things, I'm not able to work myself. I mean, I'm not able to work and come up with the ideas. So I just thought to share my personal feelings with you. I'm not able to sleep, and because I'm not able to sleep, I'm kind of tired. I'm not eating food on time, and I'm not even comfortable cooking my own food since last 2 days, and that's what's happening with me. And right now when I'm making this video, there is some tingling sensation which is going down in my neck, which is kind of awkward. I don't know how to make peace with it, but let's see how it goes, because I can't help it. So yeah, that is what all I have, and because of it I'm not able to record the videos. So but again, there is no excuse which I could give, and now this is playing in my background, so I don't know whether you will be able to hear me guys properly or not, but this is how the video is going to be. So I'm gonna record myself. I can't stop because the light is already the sun is already coming down, and the pain is there. So I'm again and again talking about that pain. It's kind of irritating and all, बट लेट्स सी, आई मीन जब अच्छा होता है तो हम बात करते हैं, नहीं करते हैं, और जब बुरा होता है तो हम सब बता देते हैं. मैं भी नॉर्मल इंसान ही हूँ यार, बता दे रहा हूँ जो हो रहा है. अब इसी वजह से मैं वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करना है या वीडियोस कैसे बनाने हैं नए, उनके बारे में सोच नहीं पा रहा हूँ या उन्हें प्रोसेस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. तो बस यही है मेरे पास में अभी तो बताने के लिए. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग इन दिस सिचुएशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेयर इट इज़ पेनिंग एंड ऑल. तो I'm just letting it go. That's what I can do about it. Like sometimes, rather than complaining or about anything, just be there, just observe it. That's what I'm doing with my pain right now. I'm trying my best to do it, but at the end of the day, I'm also a human. So I don't know how it's gonna work out, but okay. So any which ways, mentally and spiritually and whateverly, I am still in peace in a way. A bit irritated, I won't deny it, and physically a bit in pain, but let's see how the things figured out. I hope all of you guys are doing great in your life, and if you are not, you will soon gonna be doing great in your life. All you just need to do is be clear in your head. So it's nice talking to you guys. I'll see you soon tomorrow. Bye bye.